Hello friends, today I am reviewing ThaiEye Wi-Fi action camera. It's i60 version. I received this product for free in exchange of my honest and unbiased review. This is a full HD action camera. It has an inbuilt 152 degrees wide angle lens. It's a waterproof housing camera. The camera itself is not waterproof. With the housing it becomes a waterproof, and also it comes with a 1.5 inches TFT display. I'll quickly show you the packet. The packet has all the details what I just now mentioned, and on the side of the packet, it comes with a QR code which you have to scan and download the app that is free from their website, and you can also download that from app stores in Apple Store as well as in Google Play. This app is used to sync up your action camera Wi-Fi network with your mobile phone so that you can download your videos. Also you can control your camera through your mobile phone. That's pretty cool. And as this comes with a waterproof housing, I think you can use this for surfing as well as scuba diving, and also you can use for biking, traveling, live shots, and kids while they are playing. So when kids are playing, it is always advised that you set your camera to capture 60 frames per second so that you can capture all that running action, the fast moving action. This camera comes with all these accessories as they mentioned over here: a USB cable, all different types of mounting things, and also waterproof housing, an additional backdoor skeleton, and a rechargeable battery, and a camera, and a cloth bag. And on the back of the pack they have explained you what each button on the camera can be used for, and what are different kind of ports it has, where you can keep your memory card, and where is the USB port and the HDMI port, and how you can zoom it, and all those details, and a table with all the specifications. It has a video capturing of H.264 compression format, so which is like a very good HD compression format, and it can capture photos up to 12 megapixel, which is very good, and video resolution of 1080p for with 60 frames per second, and 1440p with 30 frames per second. So that's pretty much about it, and I really like it. I already used it, I unpacked it, captured couple of videos in this camera. This is a great action camera which is very portable. So let me quickly unpack it and show it to you. As I mentioned, I already unpacked. It comes with a very hard shell on top to protect your camera, and here is the camera. So this plate comes by sticking to the inside box. I just take it out because I want to use this as a table on tabletop as a mount. So that is pretty good, don't throw that. So let me show you all the accessories that it comes with. So these are the lot many accessories they added with this packet. So depending on your use, where you want to use this, on your helmet, or with your tripod, or with your selfie pad, or wherever like you want to use them. So they have already given all those things. You no need to buy them separate. That is one more good thing, and a soft cloth to clean it. So those are the things that all comes with. Let me quickly show you the camera. So this is the camera. It is housed inside the waterproof casing. Here are the buttons that you can use them to operate the camera using the housing. So if you want to remove the camera out of the housing, just lift over here. On that click, it comes out. It is a very tight sealing. So the camera is back. So it's a very portable camera, very stylish, and I like the design of it. Here is the power button. On the side of the camera you can see there is a button with the Wi-Fi. So whenever you want to connect your Wi-Fi, just press it, and I'll show you quickly. So that is also Wi-Fi button as well as the up arrow button, and there is one down arrow button. Here you can see the mic port, so it captures the sound for you. And here is the 1.5 inches TFT display. On the other side of it, it has the USB port, mini HDMI port, and also the memory card slot. So that's pretty much about it. On the back of this you have a very nice ventilation over here, and the battery goes over here. So let me switch off this camera first, then I'll remove the battery and show it to you. One small observation is this door for the battery is not attached with the camera, so make sure that don't lose this and keep it safe. And there is a tag to pull the battery out. So this is the battery that comes with it. So it's a 1050 mAh battery, and very portable. Just push it inside to install this battery. So as soon as you keep it inside, like the camera is switched on, so don't worry about it. That's pretty much about it, and you can take snaps by pressing the button over there, or OK button. This OK button is also used to select the menu options. So this power button is it's used to switch on the camera. Also you can use this to switch different modes. So there is a mode over here. It's a plastic construction, as I mentioned. So let me take a snap. So it started recording it, and I'll add this video at the end of the video review. So that's pretty much about this. It's a really nice camera which captures all videos at a very good quality, and also it captures very nice videos. I really like it, and hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.